Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. If you saw my community page, you will know I have got videos coming every single night this week at 6 p.m. UK time. So do set that notification. In this video, we are looking at a Let's Resin silicone mold unboxing. I am so excited to show you these. Everything is going to be linked down below in the description box. Honestly, I cannot wait. I've got so many videos this week. I hope you love them all. Let's get into it. So for all of my new friends who've joined my channel recently, thank you so much. I am actually a Let's Resin affiliate. So if you're ever looking for anything by Let's Resin, whether it's colours or molds or anything that you can put into your resin that they sell, you can get your discount code. It is linked below in my description box. I will also link the individual products for each individual thing that you're going to see in this video. So do not forget to just grab that 10% discount code because it does make all the difference. First up is this gorgeous lidded box. This is quite a substantial lidded box. Now, I already know what I'm going to use this for, and you're going to laugh when I tell you. I'm actually going to make a box to sit by my bedside table because, you know, when you take your hair ties off at the end of the night, you take your hair out of your messy bun and you put your hair ties to the side. Well, I can tell you, hand on heart, George the puppy finds them. It doesn't matter where I put them, George the puppy finds them. So that is my plan for this box. Now, I'm not going to make this week because we're very much into Christmas right now and I don't necessarily want a Christmas box by my bedside, but check this out. So you get two parts. It's a lid and a base, and they also actually send in the wooden support frames. Now this is kind of important. If you look at the molds as they are, I guess with any mold of this shape and size, there's always a risk that it's gonna bow out. You'll get that bow in when you fill it with your product, whether it's resin or eco or, you know, anything that you use. Sometimes with molds like this, they do tend to bow out of the walls, and that is what these wooden supports are for. I've actually never used a mold that has wooden supports, so this is going to be real fun for me, and you can already see a huge difference if you compare it to the one on the right, which has no support at all. And I guess this is why Let's Resin have included this with the kit, because they understand the silicone. But I'm really looking forward to making this. I will probably make this early spring just to, I don't know, make it pretty. Okay, next up we have some beautiful Christmas bauble silicone molds. Now the one thing about these I have to say is that I have never seen molds like these. I've never used molds like these. There are two molds in this pack that I've seen before and that I've used before, but these, I've never seen them, and I was so intrigued. I was kind of staring at them for probably a little bit too long, if I'm honest. I was kind of squeezing them open and pulling the sides back just to work out how they work, because I'm not used to seeing these silicone molds where you've got edges that come up and over around the sides. And then I was looking at the holes and I was thinking, do we have to drill the holes? But yeah, they're super cool and I've actually made them. They are stunning. That is coming up this week in a video, so do be sure to check them out. Yes, super different. I was just so intrigued by the hole as well, because usually you would get like a little bit of silicone, that's going to be your hole, but these don't have that. They have something else instead, which was very, very different. But yeah, you can see me here. I was kind of having a really good nosy inside, like how on earth does this work? But they work and they are beautiful. So this is the pack of 6, and again this will be linked below if you are interested in these. This one here reminded me of a Ferris wheel. I'm not even gonna lie, it was so pretty, and like I said, I've not seen a mold like this and I've never used a mold like this, so it was really interesting me, go me. It was interesting for me to have a go and just see what it's like. Next up, I could not believe my eyes. Honestly, I did pick this. So I do get to pick what I want to work with from Let's Resin. They often email me and just say, like, do you want to pick some more things? I did pick this, but honestly, I did not expect this many. There's so many here. Like, it's ridiculous. It's cool though. It's really cool. these are your crystals. So these are like your crystal pendants, like you can, I mean, they don't have to be, you can pretty much make whatever you want to make. And again, I was looking at these, like, never seen these before. What are these? And then I kind of had to refer back to the instructions. So the best thing about Let's Resin is that everything you buy comes with a little visual instruction manual. You might not always need it, but for these I needed it. And I worked out that they're like metal clasps. Super cool. So that once you've made your crystal, those big chunky metal clasps will go on the top and then you can hang it around your neck. And I thought, oh, that's cool. I've never seen that before. How many you get, it is unbelievable. I'm actually gonna lay them all out so we can take a look and actually take a look at the sizes as well, because some of these are huge. Now, I have used crystal molds by Let's Resin in the past, and they're always the molds that you stand up vertically. I've never used horizontal molds like this before. So again, really interested to try them. This one is a beast. It is huge. And actually, I was thinking, even to make these so simple, you know, like rose quartz, you can get like some beautiful mica powders that really look like rose quartz. Even just to fill one simply with some rose quartz mica. Oh gosh, guys, it is going to look like the kind of crystal that you go and buy from the shops. These are huge. Some of them coming in at around 7.5 centimeters across, and then like a solid couple of centimeters wide as well. Got some super chunky chunks in there. This one is even longer at 8.5 centimeters long. So yeah, really, really intrigued by these. And like I said, I've never used horizontal crystal molds. I've always used the really long ones, you know, that can be quite fiddly to then demold. But look at this one, guys, 2.5 centimeters across. That is massive. Like, that is massive. I don't even know if I'd be able to wear it. It would have to be a really cool kind of crystal looking key ring for me, because yeah, that around my neck, it might fall down. Last but not least is a 2-pack of the small bauble molds. Now, I knew immediately when I got these what I was going to use them for, because they're such a gorgeous little size. And you get 2, and the top 4 you can see have got this detail around the top. The bottom 2 don't. So that is another video coming this week. Turn on that notification bell, guys. I hope you join me. They won't all be live chats. Wednesday's video will be live chat as normal, but the others will just be going out at 6 o'clock. So there'll be no live chat tonight, obviously, and Thursday, Friday. So definitely turn on that notification bell. Everything you've seen in this video will be linked below. The one negative, and I am so sorry, these are only available in the USA currently. Now, I don't feel too bad, because I did show a video recently with molds that you couldn't get in the USA, and I felt really guilty about it. So now I feel like I'm kind of making up for that, because now you guys can all get these, but sadly we can't get these in the UK at this stage. But you know what, fingers crossed. Quite often Let's Resin do release things in the USA, and then later on they do travel into the UK and other countries. So fingers crossed soon, but I cannot guarantee it. But you're welcome, America. You are welcome. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Check out the description box, and I will see you tomorrow for my very first video of making these molds. I'll see you then. Bye.